understand the four corners of Kaaba, remember, the black stone is on the eastern side. The sun rises on the east. Black stone is near the east. To the west, it is known as the Rukne Sham. Meaning, if you travel from that side straight, you reach Syria. We have four directions: north, south, east, west. East is Sangyaswal. So the opposite to east is west. If you go into that direction opposite, you go to Syria. The northern direction, you have two things on the northern direction. You have Muqam Ibrahim, and a little after Muqam Ibrahim is Zamzam well, and a little beyond Zamzam well is Safa and Marwa. Safa Marwa, Zamzam well, Muqam Ibrahim. This is on the northern side of Kaaba. So this northern side of Kaaba is known as Rukne Iraqi, the direction that takes you directly to Iraq. Opposite to it is south. So the southern side you have Rukne Yamani. Rukne Yamani meaning in that direction if you go it straight to Yaman. In the entire Quran, Ibrahim alayhi salam's Tawheed has been testified by Allah Rabbul Alameen so many times. Allah has repeated this statement for Ibrahim alayhi salam in the Quran, which he has not done for any other prophet. وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ. He never committed shirk. His Tawheed was so perfect. Today we have millions of people performing Hajj, going from every corner of the earth, mashallah. They are always trying their level best to gather money, to somehow make an amount available in their life so that they can make this holy pilgrimage. The call was given by Ibrahim alayhi salam and the call is continued. Inshallah till Qiyamah, people will be gathering there.